Hello students and parents. I'm Mrs. Petrova and I'm your child's math teacher. I teach 6th grade and 7th grade math at Via Fundamental and I'm proud Eagle. I have been teaching math for 15 years and I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I actually got inspired to become a math teacher by my middle school math teacher when I was your children's age. So I'm very passionate about math and I love all my students. I want to tell you how proud I am of your children, my students. With this video, I'd like to show you some of the work we've done when we were in class and some of the work and things I have been assigning during the distance learning. I also hope you can join us for our open house live event. Please visit our VIA website for more information. One of our favorite activities this year was the breakout boxes. As you can see, kids were totally engaged and every single period enjoyed the game. Another favorite activity for all 6th graders was the mystery mascot. We learned that in chapter 4 with our CPM textbook, where each student was in charge of creating a small piece of the puzzle. They had no idea what it was until we put it all together. So we got our beautiful mascot, a dragon. In our classroom, we took a lot of notes. As you can see, we were annotating, exploring, learning new ideas with all the students. They worked really hard. With that, I'm so proud of them. In addition, one of our favorite things was using whiteboards. So each student had their own whiteboards, but I think their favorites one when we were actually having our group whiteboards where they get to go up on the boards and show what they know and help each other. So that was like the most learning I've seen from them and I'm really proud of them. During distance learning, I'm communicating with students using Google Classrooms. Students are reviewing concepts with Desmo's fun activities. In addition, I record and post videos that I make or someone else made. Here are some pictures of students' work during distance learning. Students attach their work using the Google Classroom assignment, either daily or weekly. Students, I'm really proud of the work you have done so far. Keep up the great work. Lastly, I want you to know that I have had an amazing group of students this year, and it was difficult to pick only 3 students each month. Congrats to you and your families.